10 ways to make extra money. You can make money online. In fact, making money online is an incredibly popular way to earn some extra income or even make a full-time living. According to Pew Research, approximately 1 in 6 Americans have earned money from online gig platforms. 1. Find freelance work. Freelance work is when you work for yourself and complete projects on a contract basis. Even if you take on a contract to work for a company, you are still self-employed when you are a freelancer. And there are plenty of freelance jobs online. In fact, there are plenty of freelance websites that list jobs. Be sure to check out Upwork. They are the world's largest freelance marketplace. Upwork offers a large volume of remote freelance jobs. You'll see listings for freelancers as web designers, project managers, writers, graphic designers, and other specialties. Over 15 million freelancers get their work from Upwork, and it's free to join. There are also over 2 million jobs for freelancers listed on Upwork. FlexJobs and SolidJigs are also excellent sites for freelancers who are looking for work. In general, you will not have to worry about any scam jobs at FlexJobs. They research the jobs very thoroughly and monitor everything very closely. You can find many niche jobs on FlexJobs. Time is always money, even for a freelancer. If you need work fast, check out SolidJigs. They filter out all the jobs fast and then send you the best ones, thereby vetting the opportunities for you. With SolidJigs, you won't waste time scrolling through dozens of jobs listed. 2. Start a YouTube channel. There are many ways to make money online with a YouTube channel. The most popular way is to add AdSense ads to your videos. Every time someone clicks on your ad, you make money. You can also promote products in your videos on YouTube by wearing or using certain products in your videos. Add a link to your online store to get people to visit your store and buy your items, or contract with third-party companies to promote their products. Just make sure you have a compelling offer for your viewers. Another way to make money on your YouTube channel is to create sponsored content. This way, you can make a profit by endorsing branded products or creating content marketing videos. 3. Start a dropshipping business. So if you want to start your own dropshipping business, what do you need to expect? And what exactly is the dropshipping business model? Essentially, in this business, you will receive retail orders from other people and ensure they get their products. You aren't responsible for selling your own products, but when someone else sells a product, they will give you information about that product, a delivery address, and ask you to fulfill the order as quickly as possible. You never have to handle the products on your own, and you do not have to invest in inventory. You are simply going to be responsible for fulfilling the orders that customers place. You don't have to worry about having a giant warehouse with products somewhere. You will be starting a business as an e-commerce entrepreneur, and you never have to worry about managing your own inventory, because you don't have to deal with any inventory overhead expenses. It is a relatively easy business to start. On the other hand, you do need to position yourself to quickly fulfill orders that come in. Otherwise, you might have a difficult time getting your business started. 4. Take online surveys. Believe it or not, you can make money online by taking surveys. There are online survey websites where you can take a survey in your spare time and earn gift cards or cash. Just keep in mind that some paid survey sites are better than others. Branded surveys is one way to earn money online by taking surveys. It's also a favorite of many. They have a sign-up bonus, competitions, a loyalty program, and competitive payouts. You can earn up to $5 for each survey that you complete. 5. Create a blog. Blogs are a popular money-making tool because they're easy to create and offer many routes for monetization. If you have some knowledge on a subject, you could create an online course and sell your expertise to people who come to your blog. Or maybe you've got a blog that specializes in a particular topic. You could sell digital products related to that topic, like guides, templates, ebooks, and more, to folks that visit your blog. If you don't have your own goods to sell, you could become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn money online by promoting other people's goods on your site. Whenever someone clicks on the link, you receive a commission from the sponsoring company. There are plenty of affiliate networks that have an extensive list of companies for you to join and become an affiliate marketer with. 6. Become a virtual tutor. Tutors are always in demand. Whether you are a teacher or someone with specific knowledge, you can help learners improve their grades and prepare for exams. Just keep in mind that you should have the teaching experience and a subject-specific certification. This will help create credibility for both parents and students. Do some research so you will understand your audience. From your skills, pick topics that you will feel confident teaching. Having specialization certification or an advanced degree will give you an additional advantage. There are a lot of teaching methods you can implement when you are a virtual tutor. You can use interactive activities, slides, storytelling, and even gamify your course lessons. Being a virtual tutor is one effective way to make money online. 7. Become an influencer. Influencers are people who help persuade potential buyers of a product or service by promoting or recommending the items on social media or YouTube. If that appeals to you, start thinking about what your niche could be. Maybe you're interested in fashion or travel. Maybe you've got a lot of say about tech or fitness gear. Consider your strengths and pick a niche that allows you to showcase those strengths. Once you pick your niche, it is time to market to an audience. You can do this with a blog or on social media platforms. Once you start building your audience, you can start selling to them. If you become popular, you might get the opportunity to represent specific brands and make money by promoting their products. 8. Start investing. Even though you can certainly take a look at alternative investment strategies, such as real estate and cryptocurrency, don't forget about the traditional stock market. There are a lot of people who feel like they cannot invest in the stock market because they don't have enough money to do so. The good news is that there typically is no minimum balance to get started in the stock market. There are plenty of brokerage platforms out there, so you may want to take a look at a successful YouTube channel that will explain the differences between them. That way, you can select the best option to meet your needs. Remember that you do need to be careful when you invest in the stock market. It is difficult to predict whether the market will go up or down, and anyone who promises that they know what the market is going to do does not have your best interests at heart. That is why you may want to take a few classes, watch a few videos, or read a few books about the stock market. Diversifying your investments is always a good thing, and you may want to consider investing in an industry that you know well. 9. Sell your art and photography. Another option is to sell your art and photography. If you are a creative person, you may want to consider selling your creative products to start making money online. For example, if you love taking pictures of animals, you might be able to sell them online. Or if you have a knack for taking pictures of people, you may want to get hired as a photographer. You should try to take advantage of different social media marketing strategies that can help you get your name out there. That way, more people will learn about your art and photography, and they will be interested in the services you provide. Keep in mind that art comes in many shapes and forms. You might be skilled with a paintbrush, or you might be skilled with a computer. Digital artwork has become very popular during the past few years, and you might want to use your skills with the computer to produce digital artwork for other people. With so many people interested in starting an online business or their own online store, you might even be able to produce artwork and photography that can double as a logo for a new company. Do not forget to ask your customers to leave reviews that can help you expand your online presence. That way, you can generate more business for yourself. 10. Become an online translator. Another way to make money online is through translating. Do you speak a second language? If so, you might be surprised at just how much money someone might pay you for your services. Today, we live in a world that is more global than ever before. If you are able to speak a second language, you will immediately become more marketable just about everywhere. There are different types of translation projects you can work on. You will listen to what one person says, translate it for the other person, and make sure they understand what you have said. Then, you can translate the information back for the doctor. This is one option available, and you might be able to create your own schedule, or you might be able to find a job translating documents to make money online. For example, if someone needs to submit a document to the court in another language, they might hire a translator to help them do so. Depending on the type of translation you want to do, you may have to take different exams or earn certain certifications. It is up to you to decide how much money you want to make as a translator. What do you think of my video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video.